Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be looking at these extended zipper pulls for the soft top. So if you guys have a soft top, you kind of know the pain of having the stock zippers. These basically go around the zipper and then they're just little extenders so you can get some more leverage to pull. So these ones have a compass in them, which that kind of looked kind of neat. And I believe this is paracord material on here as well. So we're just going to throw this on the Jeep and show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, that's much better. Alright, so as you can see, you can either have it, hanging out on the outside of the Jeep. I don't think I'll do that just because of the wind. I don't want this slapping the side of my Jeep, so I'm just gonna, I just went like this, turned it up, tucked it in, zipped it, so it's just like that. Alright, so as you can see, this already kind of has a pull on it. So I have no idea how I'm going to get these on here. Oh, we'll just stick it on the bottom here. We'll extend the extenders. There we go. I think that works. Definitely makes it a little easier than having to get your fingers in here and then you're scraping all along the inside here. This gives you a little more space. Alrighty, so there goes that one. Okay, so let's kind of show you how difficult it is with especially when you go up top. That's when it's especially gonna matter, because when you're up here, your hand is kind of scraping on this Velcro up top here, so that's gonna be nice getting it so it doesn't do that. Okay, so when you go up top here now you can literally just keep it out of the way, which is nice. So you can just do it one-handed, super easy. I think they look pretty cool though. I think they look nice. So anyway, that's just going to be it for this short little video. So if you have a soft top, I highly recommend getting these guys. These actually work too, which is kind of cool. It's an actual working compass, which is neat. So they actually work, and I think they look pretty cool. And it's just so nice being able to use this one-handed. So if you have a soft top, you kind of know the pain of not having zipper pulls. So definitely get yourself either these or just any kind of zipper pull, because that really helps getting the soft top on and off, especially if your top's a little older. If your top's a little older, sometimes the zippers, if they're not clean, they can get really stiff. So these can really help, undo the zipper. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And I will see you guys in the next video.